In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-reference fields in CMS. Let's dive right into the process so you can enhance your Webflow project's functionality. We'll start by navigating to Webflow. You can do this by opening a browser and entering the Webflow website address. Once you're there, you'll see the homepage where you can access their powerful tools to create visually stunning and highly functional websites without needing extensive coding skills. Next, what you want to do is click on the Login button. This step is necessary to access your projects and the CMS tools we'll be working with. Enter your credentials to gain access to your dashboard. Once logged in, find yourself at the Webflow dashboard. This is where all of your projects are neatly organized, providing a comprehensive overview and easy navigation. After you're at your dashboard, click on a project that you wish to modify or add multi-reference fields to. This could be any project you'd like to enhance with the capabilities of a CMS. Once inside your chosen project, you want to make your way to the CMS by clicking on it. The CMS is the backbone of your Webflow project. It's where you manage all your site's content in an organized way, allowing for dynamic updates and a smoother workflow. With the CMS opened, it's time to choose the specific collection you want to manage. A collection in Webflow acts like a database, where you store content types that are template-based and thus repeating throughout your design. After selecting a collection, you'll notice options for adding new content. You will click the Plus New Item button. This allows you to start adding new entries to your collection, which is exceptionally useful for blogs, product catalogs, or any other repeatable content types. The next step is to click on Add Field. This section of the CMS allows you to expand on the data being organized within each entry of your collection. Adding fields is akin to adding new database columns. It's where you'll structure the different components or data points associated with each item of your collection. We are now getting to the crux of today's tutorial. Choose the multi-reference field type from the list of options presented. The multi-reference field allows you to link several items from another collection into the current item. This functionality is incredibly useful for creating relationships between different data types, enabling complex site structures like blogs linked to authors, products associated with different categories, or listings that require multiple tags. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and can now use multi-reference fields in your CMS. This will greatly expand what you can accomplish within your Webflow projects by linking and organizing information in a more dynamic and relational manner. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.